Hi, I'm Dr. Sunaina Hamid. I'm a consultant dermatologist and aesthetic physician practicing in Whitefield, Bangalore. I have over 14 years of experience post-MD. So I would like to speak about melasma. It's a common pigmentation disorder. In Karnataka where I practice, it's also known as mango. In Hindi, it's known as chania. So this is a very stubborn disorder to treat with unfortunately no permanent cure. There are multiple reasons why it can happen. Melasma, many times it's hereditary. Sunlight is definitely an enemy. So sun exposure makes the condition worse, and sunlight is in abundance in India. And it can be controlled by hormones as well. It is primarily controlled by estrogen, and which is why melasma is much more common in women than in men. So it gets worse during periods of pregnancy or women who take birth control pills. And sometimes when women hit menopause, it may clear up once and for all, but until then, melasma can be controlled or managed, but there will be ups and downs. There will be periods when it keeps coming back. So what we counsel patients is melasma can be managed. One is sun avoidance is key. As far as it's practical for those who can avoid the sun and fastidiously use a sunscreen, not just a cosmetic sunscreen, but a proper pharmaceutical sunscreen, a broad spectrum, high SPF sunscreen, correctly in the sufficient quantity, and remember to reapply after 4 hours if they're going to be out in the sun all day. This is the best they can do to keep it under control. Skin lightening creams, there are many options that we have. What I would tell patients is, there's mild, medium, strong and super strong creams. Of course, the stronger creams that we give you, the results will be faster, but the strong creams can really irritate your skin, and there's a limited period to which that you can use it. For instance, a Cligmal formula or triple combination creams, they contain steroid in it. So they're usually used for only 2 or 3 months at a time, and then you should take a break for a year at least. Hydroquinone, for instance, we only prescribe for about 3 or 4 months at a time, and again give it a break. Once the pigmentation is in control, then we switch you on to milder creams with glycolic acid, arbutin, licorice or vitamin C, which you can safely use for a little longer. For those people with melasma where creams and sunscreen alone is not keeping it under control, there are oral medications as well. We can put you on antioxidants, we can put you on tranexamic acid, there are chemical peels, there are multiple things that can be done depending on, it's a cosmetic problem of course, so depending on how motivated the patient is and on how long they would like to work on it. Laser treatments for melasma is still very tricky. So here at my center I have 3 different laser technologies for pigmentation. I have the IPL laser, we use Q-switch Nd:ARC laser, and we have the Pico laser, which is very powerful, and very few people and very few centers in India have a genuine Pico laser. But for melasma as a pigmentation, lasers are still very tricky. I would use it only for stable melasma, which is neither getting lighter or darker, which is just fixed. I would not use it for unstable melasma, it can end up getting even more darker. So there is hope, there are dermatologists who suffer from melasma as well. And between skincare and between cosmeceuticals and creams and lasers and a little bit of makeup, it can be kept well under control for several years.